Aloha, my sister. I'm Kaleo. I'm so happy that you're here with me again. Now, if you've watched the first video and you're a woman over 50, you already know this feeling of being invisible, uncertain, adrift, it isn't just yours. It's something so many of us carry, especially in this latter season of life, after we've spent years being everything to everyone else. So in this second video, I want to take you one step deeper into why that disconnection exists, why so many of us lost touch with our voice and our truth, and how we now begin the sacred journey back to ourselves. Not in theory, but in the real lived experience of being a woman in today's world. So what is the root of this silence? Well, here it is, what most people don't want to talk about. We didn't choose it. We didn't choose silence. It was chosen for us. From an early age, we were taught to be good by staying quiet, don't rock the boat, don't ask for too much, and oh, God forbid, don't speak up, especially if it makes someone else uncomfortable. So we learned to read the room, to anticipate everyone else's needs, to make sure everyone else was okay, even if we weren't. And over time, that awareness became a survival skill, and we started disappearing, even from ourselves. Now, this kind of silence isn't just about speaking up. It's about disconnecting from our inner truth, forgetting what we want, feeling unsure of what's really ours and what we were told we should want that's really others. And here's the part that breaks my heart. So many of us learned to wear a smile, even when our soul was aching inside. But it's not your fault. You were never taught how to listen to your own needs and to express them clearly and with confidence, or to even believe they mattered. And alongside of all of that conditioning, well, there's also the reality of this moment in our lives where we feel we're invisible and unimportant. Because for so many women, when we're feeling now, what we're feeling now isn't just the echo of old patterns. It's the weight of this moment in time, the swirl of uncertainty around us, and the ache of doing it all alone. The silence we sit in when the phone doesn't ring, when the days stretch out, and no one really sees what we're holding. And while the world may tell us to, well, stay strong or be grateful, we are quietly wondering, is this it? Is this really all that's left for me? We're not the only one asking that question. You're not the only one who feels like life has moved on without you. And I want you to know there is still something waiting for you. But to receive it, we must begin by returning to the truth of who we are. And the question becomes, how do we begin? And it starts so simply. Asking yourself, what do I need today? Feeling your emotions without apologizing for them, expressing them, especially without apologizing for them, saying no when it really is a no, honoring your needs when it's uncomfortable. This is how we begin to come home. It isn't about getting louder. It isn't with force, not with proving anything, but with truth, with grace, with quiet confidence and strength. And from that quiet strength, something begins to awaken. You start to feel a deeper part of you stirring, a part that remembers everything you've lived through, every emotion you've carried, every truth you've tucked away. That part of you has never left. She's still here. And in the next video, we'll take the next step to connect with her more fully. This is your wise woman. She carries the strength of your lived experiences, all your life experiences. And beneath her, there's something even older, a deeper current of truth that's always been with you. That's your divine feminine, the one who knows you without needing explanation. And she's been waiting for you to come home and listen. And now together, with your wisdom and your truth, they're ready to lead you forward into the most powerful chapter of your life. And we'll explore how to awaken both and trust the guidance that's been within you all along. So I'll be waiting to meet you in the next video. See you there. Aloha nui.